So next we will move on to the cluster map. Cluster map is very similar to heat map, but what it does additionally is it clusters the similar data together for both row and column. So we have our flights data once again. Let's see, check this FP. Let's say we want to use cluster map for this. So let's pass in our data, which is FP. Now the size of this is very big. We can reduce the figure size here. We have the fixed size parameter given, which is 10 by 10 by default. So we can, let's go with 7 by 7, or let's go with 5 by 5 so that it fits in here. Let's try 6 by 6. This is too small. Yeah, so now it fits in nicely. Once again, we want to change this color combination, as the higher values are denoted by lighter color, which is not very intuitive. So I will go for magma underscore r. Underscore r at the end of any color combination or this color palette reverses the palette the other way. So if for magma the lighter color was for the higher value, now the lighter color would be for lower value. So compared to heat map, when we plotted the heat map for this flights data set, here you can see on the y-axis the years went down from 1949 incrementally to 1960, and similarly the month went from Jan, Feb, March all the way to November and December in the heat map. But when you see that same thing in the cluster map, we have Jan, Feb, and then November is combined between Feb and March. Similarly, December comes between March and May, and then April comes after it, and the summer months like July, August are put together, and this is clustered along with the fall and spring months of June, October, and September together. Similarly, on the y-axis as well, you can see the years are not in the same manner going from 1949 incrementally to 1960, but the years 1959 and 60 are clubbed together in the middle, but the other years are arranged separately. So here we have another parameter called standard scale. If you pass in one, without this standard scale, if you see, we had this colors intensity going from 200 to 600. If you use this standard scale, it will go from 0 to 1. So it will standardize all of the colors here.